Hello everyone, I am Karjan Burdai from B.Ed 2 Section 2, and we gather today to celebrate the unsung architects of our nation's future, our teachers. Their dedication, their tireless efforts, and their profound impact on the lives of countless individuals often go acknowledged, overshadowed by by a narrative that too frequently focuses on perceived hardships, while the challenges faced by educators are undeniable. Today we choose to shift the focus to celebrate not just their resilience, but the monumental achievement that fundamentally transform their working lives and affirm their invaluable contributions. The Magna Carta for public school teachers. This isn't simply a piece of legislation, it's a testament to the profound respect we owe to those who dedicate their lives to shaping young minds and building a brighter tomorrow. It's a comprehensive framework designed to ensure fairness, equity, and a long overdue recognition of the vital role teachers play in our society. This landmark achievement provides numerous benefits, including guaranteed due process in disciplinary actions, protection against discrimination, reasonable limits on teaching hours, additional compensation for duties beyond the classroom, support for family unity through collocation opportunities for married couples, salaries comparable to other professions, cost of living and hardship allowance, free annual medical examinations, protection against unauthorized salary deduction, provision for study leave and indefinite leave, and guaranteed salary increases upon retirement. In the following moments, we will delve into the heart of this landmark achievement, exploring how these key provisions have reshaped the landscape of teaching in the Philippines and continue to support the dedicated professionals who guide our children towards a better future. Prepare to be inspired by the power of recognition and the